So you're about to turn 18, you're 19, 20, anywhere in there. Congratulations. Welcome to adulthood. You can now legally vote, you can get sued, and you can mess your whole life up financially within 30 seconds if you don't play it right. Let me put you up on game before time flies, cause it will, and you're 27 Googling how to fix my credit in your broke down Honda Civic eating hot Cheetos. I got you. And before you think, why should I take advice from you? Just know that I'm a successful millionaire that's a franchise owner of Force Movie Kings. I've been there, done that, and I used to be you. Start thinking like a boss now to where you're not 32 trying to go viral on TikTok, walking in a grocery store pouring milk on you looking like a dumbass. So the first thing you want to do is step up your bank game. Stop cash apping everything. That is not a bank. You need an actual real bank and a real savings account. 25 is around the corner, whether you believe it or not. And the last thing you need is to try to get a car or a house, and the bank is like, nah, bro. Go to your local credit union or get a non-fee bank account like Capital One, Chime. There's several out there. That's what you need. Once you set that up, here's my rule of thumb. 70% of that money is going to go to spending. 20% is going to go to saving that money, and 10% is going to go to investing. I'm going to get all into investing later on in the video, so you gotta stick around to see it. Do not let your refund check from your summer job sit in your account like a sitting duck. That is the worst thing you're gonna do. You're gonna be trying to buy McChickens for the homies. Next thing you know, the bank account's gonna be negative $27.13. Trust me, I know it all too well. Credit is the game. Either you're gonna play it or you're gonna get played. Either way, credit is like a girlfriend. Treat her right, she's gonna take care of you, everything's gonna be amazing. You treat her wrong, she's gonna ruin your life, and she's gonna talk bad about you to everybody. Let me break this down a little bit more. Start with a secure credit card. I did this as well. It's going to be a little bit that you're going to have to pay down, but after you turn that secured card into an unsecured credit card, you will get that deposit back. Once you get that card, all you need to do is buy stuff like gas, food, a little bit of clothes here and there, Netflix, whatever it is. At the end of the month, pay it off. You're trying to build that credit score like muscles. It's slow and steady, and it's a process. And don't let anybody ever put anything in your name. No car, no nothing. We're going to use your uncle, for example. Your Uncle James don't even got a license, but he's sitting here talking about, nephew, I got you on the payments. Don't fall for that trap. Speaking of traps, the first apartment trap. Be careful. You're just turning 18 or you're 19, you're 20, and you're looking on Zillow at apartments and you see $1,200 a month, and you're thinking to yourself, man, that's light. I can do that with just one check or two checks. Here's the thing. Apartments are going to need the first month, the last month, security deposit, proof of income, 650 plus credit score, 3 times the rent, and they're going to need your mom's birth certificate. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I'm really not. They ask for a lot. Did I forget to mention they're gonna need like 47 check stubs? Look, apartments are no joke, and if you try to move out too fast just to flex on Instagram, just to say you're independent, ladies, I know you wanna post that picture holding your keys up on Instagram just to show everybody that you really bossed up, but hold up. I'm telling you, you're going to be calling your mom and dad a few months later, asking them, can you just stay just a little bit until your taxes hit? Trust me, I know a lot of people that's been there. If I was still 18, I would be stacking my money up. And if you just really can't stand your parents and you really need to move out, get a roommate. But even then, that's really questionable, and I'll let y'all figure that part out on your own. Or I would just stay at my parents' house and stack my money up for 1 to 4 years. Ultimately, there's nothing wrong with playing the long game when your freedom is on the line. Take that time to save that money and just listen to your parents and hear their mouth, because once you save that money, you're good. Obviously, you need to get educated, but don't do it the dumb way. Everyone's gonna be in your ear telling you need to go to college, you need to get a degree, but nobody ever talks about Sally Mae and her goons that's hitting your pockets every single month. It's no joke. College isn't bad, but do not pick a $90K school with a major like underwater basket weaving. It's not gonna make sense, so don't waste your time and don't waste your money. It's a lot of people out there with regret. Don't be that person. Do it the smart way. Go to a community college. Go to a state college. Go apply for scholarship after scholarship after scholarship. There's so many ways to save money, and don't let your friends pressure you into going to a university, spending all this money just because they're going to UT. And if you don't want to go to college, that's dope as well. I became just as successful and I don't have a degree. You have tech certifications, you have HVAC, you have barbers, you have CDLs. There's so many things that you could do to get that money. You'll be making real money while folks are still trying to pass Algebra 2 in their third year. If anything, I feel you got the head start. Speaking of stacking, learn how to stack your money early. Look, 18, the superpower you have is time. If you just stack $100 a month in your index fund, by the time you're in your 40s, you're gonna have 6 figures of play money just off of that alone. Put money into an IRA. That's a retirement cheat code. You're paying taxes now so that your money grows tax-free. The goal is for your money to grow with you like y'all are partners, like y'all been knowing each other for years. Have you ever heard of a compound interest? For y'all that don't know, that's money, making money off the money that you already made. It's like the streets, but it's legal. Legal money is the way to go, and you can become a millionaire easily if you just follow this play by play. I'm doing all the hard work for you. All you gotta do is follow and listen. Speaking of following and listen, subscribe, send it to your friends. If you rocking with Skyler Paycheck and you like the knowledge I'm giving you, send it to your sister, your cousin, your brother, cause YouTube, they ain't playing fair. They giving your boy like 4 views a video. I know we can do better than that. When you're 18 or 19 or whatever it is, you're always about the bag, and we're all about getting the bag on this channel. But what you need to start doing is thinking about what you're doing from 5 to 9. Yes, 5 to 9, not 9 to 5. Clocking in is not the ultimate dream. We all want to make passive income. We all want to be our own boss. We all want to be millionaires living this nice, flip shoes, clothes, concert tickets, NBA tickets, start a business on Facebook Marketplace. There's so many things that you could be flipping and making extra money from. Trust me, I did it myself. Start thinking like a boss now, to where you're not 32 trying to go viral on TikTok, walking in a grocery store pouring milk on you looking like a dumbass. Time is your best asset, so start using that 5 to 9 to build something actually real. Start working on building your legacy. We're getting ready to wrap this up here, so this is the last tip, but I feel like this is the most important tip. Watch who you hang around. I'm going to say that again. Watch who's in your circle and who you hang around. Your circle is very important. If you hang around 4 broke people, guess who the 5th one is? Start following people who's talking about money, growth, and success. And I'm not talking about podcast talk, but I mean actually making motion. Actually, you don't want people in your circle that's talking about dropping a diss track on their ops, or somebody that's talking about shade room every 5 seconds. We gotta be smart and we gotta be strategic. Remember, we're trying to build legacy, not just likes. It's a big difference. So look, you're 18 and up right now, or you're about to be 18. You can either ball out and go broke by your 22, or you can move smart and be financially free by 30. Which one do you want to do? Time is going to go by really fast, and if I would have did everything that I just laid out in this video, I would have been a millionaire by at least 22 easily. Open up a Robinhood account, get you a brokerage account, start investing now. There's so much crypto and stocks that I would be so rich on if I would have did it at the time. Think smart, think wise, and once again, leave a comment, drop a like, send my video to the homies, send it to the homegirls, send it to your uncle. Even if you're older, if you're 30, 40 watching this video, I still got love for y'all. I got several videos for y'all too. Be great and be better than you are today, than you were yesterday, and be even better tomorrow.